Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. It is none other than the number 45. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like the dollhouses, as I'm very aware that you guys really like it, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse in the Victorian Style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is none other than the number 45. If you would like to see the previous 44, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the in cards. And guys, of course, this collection is from Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures, which I unbox. If you're interested in seeing that, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in my channel. And here it says a summer kiosk. So we're a place where they could get drinks or snacks, maybe a water gun, toys, that sort of thing. And here it talks about TVs. Between the years of 1946 and 1960. That's a great sofa. I love that sofa. And I like this TV stand too. That's pretty cool. I wonder if later they'll make like a collection for like a dollhouse from the 1960s. That would be cool. And here it shows you how to make like little kebabs, like meat and vegetable kebabs for your dollhouse. It shows you everything you will need. And then it walks you through step by step of how to make it. And guys, no worries. Once we have the entire collection unboxed, I will walk you through how to do each of these little side projects, and we will build the dollhouse together. So make sure to hit the beautiful red subscribe button, and guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, of course, if you like this video, if you like the Dollhouse collection, make sure to leave a like down below. I just love the houses and buildings from this era. They were so elegant. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here on the back we have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it finished. And of course, as I said before, this collection is from Editorial Salvat. And well guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to unbox our brand new furniture. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so now it's time to check out our brand new little bench. I am just loving the little pink flowers on the top. It's very cushiony. And it feels like a bit like a rough fabric, but I really like the little flowers. It looks really cute. And then you'll have this like nice etching here, which I just love. There you have the underside. In front. And I just love this little indent here. Or carving. The carving in this collection is just amazing. I really love it. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, tell me down in the comments below, what do you guys think about this collection? I would love to hear from you. And guys, of course, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.